Hey guys, Theo here and I hope you're having a spicy day, and thanks for joining me in my kitchen. Today, we have a special guest. My dog Tupac. He's half Australian Shepherd and half Maltese, and today is his birthday. So today, I'm going to show you how to make some dog-friendly cupcakes, or Pupcakes. If you like this recipe, it'll be found in the blog post below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like to follow Tupac on some of his adventures, he has an Instagram. Alright, let's get started.
In a bowl, mix together your banana, flour, baking soda, peanut butter, coconut oil, shredded carrots, honey, and 1 egg. Then spoon into your muffin tin and bake at 350 degrees for 22 to 25 minutes. For the frosting, have your Greek yogurt, peanut butter, and honey, and mix together until everything is smooth. Then, spread on your cooled cupcakes.
Alright guys, so after you let these cool, you want to top them off with a peanut butter frosting that I showed you earlier in the video. Alright, let's see if Tupac likes it. Oh, there he goes. If you want to try this recipe, it'll be found in the blog post below, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and comment to this video. And as always, keep it spicy!